You search for how to buy shares of Secure Trust Bank Plc, a UK retail and commercial bank listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker STB.L. This content is educational only and not financial advice. Always research and consider professional guidance. To buy the stock, you need a regulated broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before trading. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker STB.L to find Secure Trust Bank Plc. Select the matching LSE listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, check the basic company details and the price chart to confirm this is the right asset. Ensure the listing shows LSE PLC and the ticker STB.L before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next open session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to try this process, find the eToro link in the video description below.